Today, I'm going to answer the question, why OneScreen? Well, here's the answer. First, we offer free, on-demand, unlimited help and training with all of our products. And unlike any other AV manufacturer, our Screen Skills Guru service is there 24 hours a day, 5 days a week for help and training at the click of a button. Second, our subscription purchase model leads the industry because it includes an automatic 3-year tech update. Yes, brand new hardware every 3 years, as well as advanced hardware replacement warranty and price lock costs, all as long as you maintain your subscription. Innovation is affordable anytime. Third, our any-level user design. From hardware to software, our people-centric design has consistently driven and promoted adoption and included the tools users actually use. You can find detailed videos for all of our easy apps on our OneScreen YouTube channel. We at OneScreen are so excited to introduce our brand new TL6 touchscreen model. Now this is going to be in addition to our existing 6 Series touchscreen line, but we couldn't be more happy about the affordable, simplistic, OneScreen powered machine you see right behind us today. Now, let's get into some of the particulars. 4 screen sizes, 65, 75, 86-inch diagonal screens, and then we also have a 98-inch special order. Now, all the units have the standard specs, heavy-duty thick anti-glare glass, 4K resolution, 20 points of touch. We have 2 front-facing 15-watt speakers. There's a couple of dummy stylus pins, so you don't always have to use your finger. We also have an extendable wand. All the units out of the box come with a wall mount, and of course, we have multiple inputs and outputs to connect external devices. And you can also see we've got a 2 front-facing 3.0 USB connections. Now, you also have the option to have an onboard camera. So a OneScreen webcam can just kind of pop right here on the top with its little platform, and that can be used for video conferencing, distance and blended learning scenarios. We've got a couple of different computer options that are onboard computers that slide into the back of the machine and screw down to give you a full-fledged Windows experience on the screen. But by all means, teachers, don't worry. If you have a desktop, if you have a laptop, you can definitely use your own Windows or Mac-based computer otherwise. You're either going to connect hardwired, USB and HDMI, or you can do it wirelessly with an app that we have built into the screen. Now, OneScreen TL6 is going to come standard with the native Android 8 operating system, 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, okay? Now, there's a lot of different ways to access that. Right now, this is our home screen, so this is where you can see, as an example, my Windows screen, and of course, all the other feature sets we have here. You can access things by clicking left, clicking right. You can also have the ability to pull up from the bottom. We have this great floating toolbar as well. And this actually gives you the ability to transition between Windows and Android really easily. And this button also resides not only in Android, but in Windows. So it's a really easy way to do things. You can even have other apps of the Android on here, and you can edit them and arrange them as you want to have them on there. So great little tool that we have there. Now, great tool set right here. Guru support. This is free for as long as you have the machine. And what this is, it's going to be free, on-demand, unlimited help and training for your teachers, for your IT staff, everything OneScreen, from hardware to software. And we offer this 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So a phenomenal way for your teachers to be supported and really to help with adoption of using the screens themselves. Now, let's go ahead and jump in right to the Android 8 platform. You can see we have multiple applications here. Play Store. This is a Google Play Store. So whatever apps and games you might want to download that are going to assist you in your teaching, definitely do that. You got 32 gigs of storage. We have Chrome, YouTube, all this good stuff. eShare. Fantastic way to wirelessly stream devices in the classroom. Teacher, student device, doesn't matter. It could be Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Chromebook, doesn't make a difference. Any one of them can stream easily onto the screen. The other great part is you can also mirror whatever's on this screen back to student devices. So you can go either way at that point. Now, please note, there is our OneScreen YouTube channel where you can find more detailed videos on this particular application. So check us out over there as well. I'm going to jump back into the platform here. Now, OneScreen right. Nice, simple, onboard built-in whiteboarding tool. Very, very easy to use. You're going to have multi-touch as well. I can go ahead and move the screen. I can zoom in and zoom out. If I want to click this button, I can then do the multi-touch application. I can also slide this button over here, bring it into whatever application I'm looking at on the screen, whether it's Android or Windows, and of course have the ability to annotate over that. The great news is, all this whiteboarding can be saved either directly to the screen with the 32 gigs of storage. You can also do a QR code and have that information go directly to your device, or I can even email it to myself or anybody I choose to. So nice, simplistic, but very powerful whiteboarding tool built into the screen. And again, leads for great adoption, especially for for the teachers that are really starting to learn how to use these kinds of products. Now from here, let's go ahead and take this tool again. I'm going to click on this guy, and let's go ahead and click on Windows directly from here, just to show how easy it is to transition from Android to Windows. Now, on the Windows side, we offer OneScreen Annotate. Now, OneScreen Annotate is going to be used either with the onboard computer that you can get with it, or if you don't get that and you're going to use your own laptop, this is something you can download directly onto your screen otherwise, or sorry, onto your computer. Now, let me give you some examples here. So, standard whiteboarding, this is our much more powerful, robust, capable whiteboarding device that you're going to get so much more functionality out of this guy, and you'll see why. Here's my normal pen. I also have a text recognition pen. So this is a shape recognition pen. And technically, I also have a text recognition pen too. And you'll see me do this guy. Anything I'm writing in my handwriting is going to pop into text. Don't forget, these things are all movable applications as well. I can resize and reshape. And it's a scrollable surface. So I've got a lot of elbow room in this whiteboarding space. And of course, don't forget multi-touch. Now, I took the liberty to go ahead and do a few things myself. So I wrote out some problems here. I also did it in text just to show what you can do with this whiteboarding surface. Additionally, I just went online and looked up grade 4 addition applications. And guess what? I found some great PDFs, brought them in here. And guess what? Now I can go ahead and either myself as the teacher come answer the questions, or for that matter, have the students come up. I did a very similar thing with English as well. I did a verb and a noun application. And guess what? Go ahead and write the answer right there. Going to pop into text for me. Don't forget, these are all things that can be moved and manipulated. Now, here's a fun one. I went ahead and went to our gallery area and typed in football field. I can drag and drop any one of these images right onto the screen and then utilize it. So as an example, if I was a coach, I can go ahead and start doing some X's and O's and really get some really fun, enhanced benefit out of this application at that point. So again, this is our brand new OneScreen TL6 touchscreen model that we're so excited to introduce. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much.